You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this traditional Italian pasta sauce and more confusing Italian food names that many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Sugo al amatriciana. That's how you say it in Italian. Sugo alla matriciana. Sugo alla matriciana. So you can say it in English. Sugo alla matriciana. Yeah, it's easy. And now you know, right? Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. It helps me immensely. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao. Grazie mille. And more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.